What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Mountain Town Detail. Today I have something a little different, non-detail related, more garage design aspect of things. As you guys know, I just built this garage and I really spent a lot of time trying to figure out the design and sort of the extra decoration type things to put in it. And I wanted some like tiling to put, you know, on this back wall basically right here, and then around my pressure washer setup. This tile here is a Subway Avant Tiles or Avant Decor. I reached out to them a while back and said, hey, I'd like to do this in my garage. And you know, we discussed some things and decided to go with the black onyx Subway tile. It's actually called, let's see, this one right here. It is the Bex Metro tile. But after I did my backsplash here, I wanted to do something else. I reached back out to them and asked if they wanted to maybe do a little video together. And they actually sent me a few boxes of samples, and I liked this one. I thought it went really well with my lights, my hex lights that I have on my walls, on the side walls. So I'm actually gonna apply these inside the hex lights. I think it's gonna look really cool. It'll give it a little extra pop on the wall instead of just a regular hex light look. So, but you know, these are actually made for bathrooms and kitchens, stuff like that, not really for the garage. So when I did it in the garage, they were like, wow, you know, that's crazy, we've never seen that. So it just shows that think outside the box, stuff that, you know, you don't think you might use in the garage, you probably can. And you know, you get a really cool design out of it. But Avant Decor, if you want to check them out, and let's go ahead and get to picking out one of these lights and sticking some of these on the wall. Let's go. And that's pretty much it. I did the time lapse to show you the process for one of the basically inside the lights that I'm doing. I didn't want to show you 320 tiles. As you can see behind me, that's not done yet. I am most excited about this wall. I think it's going to look really good with the polishers on top of the tiles, but we'll get to that in a little bit. I didn't think you want to do the whole entire thing. It would be like 20 minutes of time lapse or something crazy, but easy. Peel it off, cut them the way you need them, stick them on the wall. I mean, that's pretty much all you have to do. If you ever do need to replace one, all you do is heat it up with a heat gun and then peel it off the wall, and the backing, it'll just all peel right off. So then you can replace it if you need to, or if maybe you just don't want them on there anymore and you want to change the design. You can do that as well. But I have a link in the description below. It also has a discount code attached. It's Mountain Town, MTN Town. Saves you a little bit of money. But until next time, guys, keep enjoying the mountains. Don't forget to subscribe, like, all the good stuff. You know what I'm talking about. But until then, we'll catch you on the next one.